Zebra go again. Oh, there it is.
Okay, and then she goes right there. Oops.
Uh-oh.
We're good.
You have to make sure that it doesn't go on this.
Make it stay flat.
Good. Now we have a little bit more. Almost. Hey, boys.
Look it, that goes right there.
I did. Oh, yours. Papers. Who's that?
Good job.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Yeah.
Good job, Natalie.
Who's that? Where's the other rock one?
You're good.